Hey, so if you want to organize data and track progress visually in 2026, building a dashboard in SharePoint is actually a really powerful option. I'll walk you through it step by step. All right, first, open SharePoint in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Now, either create a new site or open an existing one where you want to build your dashboard. Next, click on New and then choose Page to create a fresh dashboard page. Now select a layout that fits your dashboard style, like columns or sections for better organization. Now start adding web parts like text, charts, lists, or quick links to display your data. You can connect your dashboard to lists, documents, or even tools like Excel for live data updates. Drag and arrange your web parts to make the dashboard clean and easy to read. Once everything looks good, click Publish to make your dashboard live. So yeah, that's how you can build a SharePoint dashboard in 2026. It's a simple way to keep your data organized and easy to understand. And hey, if this helped, do like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Thanks for watching.